In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the low audio volume problem in Riverside.fm, boosting the sound level to make it louder. If you've been struggling with audio levels that just don't hit the mark, you're in the right place. Together, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have the clarity you need to enhance your audio experience. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head to the Riverside.fm dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Opening the dashboard will give you access to all your recording options and settings. It's essential to start here to ensure everything is set up correctly before diving into adjustments. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Record. Navigating to the recording section is crucial because it's where you can make the necessary adjustments to tackle that pesky low audio issue. When you're in the recording section, take a moment to glance around. Familiarizing yourself with the layout can help you make quick adjustments in the future. Now, before you start recording, you'll need to address your audio setup. A prompt will ask if you're using headphones. Whether you're using them or not, it's important to acknowledge this prompt. Why? Because your choice here can influence how the audio is processed and help prevent unwanted echoes or feedback during the recording session. Next, it's time to check your camera and microphone settings. Click on Let's Check Your Cam and Mic. This step ensures that both your video and audio inputs are selected and working correctly. Take this opportunity to test your microphone by speaking at a normal volume to see how it picks up your voice. The sound should be clear and at a comfortable level, not too soft or distorted. Once your mic and cam are properly set, move forward by clicking on Join Studio. Entering the studio environment is where you'll conduct your recordings, and everything should be ready to go after these initial steps. Joining the studio ensures you're in the right place to start recording with optimal settings. Finally, click on Check Mic. This final check is critical. It provides a last-minute confirmation that your microphone is capturing audio at the right level. Speak into the mic and listen closely. Is your audio coming through loud and clear? If not, you might want to adjust your mic settings or check if it's securely connected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll enhance your audio setup, ensuring that your recordings are crisp and clear, all within Riverside.fm. Remember, good audio makes all the difference, so take your time with these steps to get the sound quality just right. Enjoy your crisp-sounding journey on Riverside.fm.